Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you the crochet V stitch. This is which is a simple and beginner friendly stitch. This stitch is part of my Beginner Crochet Stitch Series where I explain each stitch step by step in an easy and practical way. If you are new to crochet or just starting your crochet journey, this series is specially designed for you. I also want to let you know that I run free crochet classes on my website where you can learn crochet from the basics. Classes are 100% free and you can learn at your own pace. The link is given in the description box and comment box also. Now let's start learning the V stitch step by step. Slip knot, make chain in multiples of 3. I am making 21 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have made 21 chains. 1 2 3 4. Make DC from the 4th chain from the hook. 1 DC, 1 chain, DC in this same stitch. Now skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2, make 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 DC in this same stitch. Repeat this pattern across all the chains. At the end, you will have 2 stitches left, 1 and 2. Make 1 DC in this last stitch. Now make 3 chains and turn this piece. Now we will make DC, chain, DC in this chain space. Skip this part and make DC in this chain space. Chain, Repeat this pattern across the row. In this last stitch, we will make DC in this chain. In this way, you can make as many rows one after the other as you want. If you want written instructions, please check out my website. Thank you. Bye. Happy crocheting.